UI cooldown scale? Oh, yeah, no, that's not relevant. That was not relevant. All right, so yeah, the only public ones we don't care about because those don't actually change. But POW type, POW buttons, slot POW, avail type, avail buttons, slot avail. These are all getting reset. And what else? We need it's like there are two things that control the spawning of buttons. So the spawning of power buttons. So let's make sure those get set. What are they? POW gain count equals 0. POW spawn count, yeah, equals 0. Those are what cause bombs to be always the second um, the second thing to appear in the bar at the top of the screen, and it's what causes dash to always be the 6th and POW 3 to be the 20th or whatever. So, all right, is that everything? I wonder. What happens at start? Does any of this have to? No, this is all pretty. That's basically all setup stuff that just stays true. We're not destroying all the mobs yet, but once we do, we'll want to make sure we set we want to set this to be mob 0 again. We'll want to make sure that we set team. Oh yeah, we can do team hero down there because we were using team hero to destroy the allies, but we were not actually resetting team hero itself. So, oops, too far. So yeah, once team hero is out of the picture, we can say team hero equals new int length 1, and that will automatically initialize the index 0 to be 0, which is what we want actually, because 0 is our hero in both cases. It is the index 0 of team hero points to index 0 of mobs array, and both of those are accurate, or that connection is accurate. So I'm trying to remember all of the things that we have to reset here, but I'm gonna forget some naturally. So I guess at a certain point we can just see what we got, and then piece the rest together based on the errors that we get. I guess I can nuke mobs follow, because I actually want a different set of protocols for mobs to perform during the end game or between matches. So yeah, mobs follow. That would be good to ditch. Yeah, so what's all this? Cookie dead timer. Oh yeah, so I can nuke all the cookies too, because oh no. Not necessarily. I can just leave the cookies be. We'll nuke the cookies when we restart the game entirely, because the mobs are just going to continue carrying the cookies around. And I need to stop the detonation timers though. That's the only thing I need to stop. But I'm not gonna literally reset the detonation timers for the cookies that already exist. I'm just going to not process them further. Free pulse time. That's all good and well. Knockback. That's fine. We can restart. We might not have to. We might have to restart knockback. So, but we can do that on reset. KB min drop. What the heck is KB min? Oh yeah, I know what KB min drop is. No, I don't. What the heck is? Oh no, I do. I swear I do. Totally. Gravity. I guess the public ones we probably don't tend to have to reset because those are sweep chord, sweep to near. That's all good and well. That'll sort itself out. Mob's target, mob's tar time. I don't really care about that. That'll naturally resolve itself. Mob's hit time will naturally resolve itself. Mob's health we'll do on restart. I should probably start putting together the restart because if I'm going through this list, I start putting together restart. So yeah, what are the things that I've said we have to do on restart? We have to we have to do something pretty similar except to hit a few additional targets. Restart game. So for int I equals okay, wait. Wow, what is wrong with my fingers today? For int I equals 1, again, we're skipping 0 because the hero is 0 and we don't want to destroy the hero. I less than max mobs I plus plus. This time we do need races because we're going to say, because we can assume all the allies exist because the allies up until the end of the match always exist. If mobs I not equal null, destroy, capital D destroy, mobs I. Yep. And then we can just say mobs I. Actually, no. I guess we don't have to reset mobs I at that point because it's pretty much kaput. So we already reset targeting, so we don't have to worry about that. We already reset team hero. We don't have to worry about that. Mobs cookie. Those will all get destroyed when we destroy the mobs holding the cookies. Chain. We don't chain explosion. No. I'm not going to worry about chain explosion cookies because this stuff can't detonate after the game is over. Like a chain reaction can occur through the end of the game. No. It can. A chain reaction can continue exploding once the game is over. However, no new detonations can occur once the game is over. So I don't think we have to worry about this. This should naturally empty itself. Although it emptying itself it failing to empty itself was like the cause of like most of the issues we ran into yesterday. So it's entirely possible that it won't. I'm just not going to worry about it until, because I don't know. I guess in the back of my mind, I know there's something there that I probably have to fix. I'm just not ready to tackle it quite yet. Cookie offset. No, that's public. Mobs type. Yes, that needs to get reset. Mobs type, mobs follow. Follow, I think I said we could do. Yeah, we can do follow at the end of game. We don't have to do that at the start. But types we can do at the. Types we have to do at the start of game. So, alright. Mobs type. You can just equal that. That will reset it to, that will reset everything to 0, but when we spawn a green mob, we assign it to type 2, and when we spawn an ally, we assign it to type 1, so the only time the only time that type will equal 0. So again, whenever type equals 0, either the mob is null or oops, either the type is the mob is null or it's the hero. So save that. So mobs follow. I said we could do. You know what? I'm just gonna move these. I don't know if they're gonna live at the top of the world forever, but I'm gonna put them to the top of the world just for convenience, right here. Here and now. Yeah, I'm gonna put them above start just temporarily. Alright, that's way more convenient. Alright, so yeah, mobs follow. I said we could do at where's mobs follow? What? Oh. What? Did I? No, yeah, there it is. Alright, I don't know why that was so difficult. Alright, yeah, mobs follow equals new int max mobs, and that happens at the end of the game. So cookie debt timer, right? I said I wasn't gonna care about that. Cookie pulse time. Don't care. Oh wait. No, yeah, these I do have to care about at some point, and I'll care about it when we start the game. So yeah. Well, I guess I actually don't have to worry. I actually don't have to worry about those. So I'm not gonna. Right? No, I should care about this. Oh, I wonder if my lack of regard for those had something to do with some of the errors we had yesterday. Because if a cookie that doesn't exist tries to pulse in the forest, does it make a light? No. Those will do on restart game. Actually, should we care about that? At endgame? Cookie debt timer, cookie pulse time. No, because we already said it so that. Have we set it yet? I forget if we want to set it so that detonation no longer processes while the game's over, but I forget if we did that already. We can just stop caring about all of this. Yeah. We're basically going to set up a different case for what mobs, like pretty unilaterally just set up a different case for what mobs do at the end of the yeah, so yeah, let's just set up an entirely different case. So this is if postmort equals 0. And then all that good stuff, etc., etc. But then if post more, what? Wait. That's probably fine. If post more not equals 0, then we'll have a different set of protocols. Whoops, why did I use those? I meant to use braces. Specifically, we'll just have them mill about, I think. They'll probably just like mill about in random directions. Yeah, I'm probably gonna give them like I don't know. I'll figure that out. In terms of anything sophisticated for them to do, I'll figure out what later. For now, they'll. I mean, I'll make a reminder to myself, but for now, I won't actually implement it. So now they just don't. They'll just be very, very inert once the game is over. Which actually could be fine. Maybe they don't even need to mill about. I think I want to do that though, so I'm going to leave in the else case. Nah. I'll comment that out. But not literally all of it. Alright. But yeah, at least we know that they're not processing weird stuff during this time. Alright, yeah, the thing from yesterday still, it haunts my dreams. So those are covered. KB min drop, no, that's public. Knockback, yeah. Let's reset. I mean, it should be reset on restart, but let's just, for the sake of thoroughness, let's reset it. So, yeah. Knockback, gravity. No, that stays the same. Right, and so that we went through all of these, and these are all fine. Mobs target, we already did. Mobs target time, yeah, we already said it's fine. Hit time, also fine. Mobs health, yeah, we have to clean that up at start. I mean, we could do it at endgame, but we might want to use it during the simulation at the end of the game. So we'll keep it until restart. Score, yeah. We'll want score to be 0 when we restart the game. Not only that, score equals 0. Score underscore text. GUI text dot text equals score dot toString. Public mob diameter, no. Button time, button cooldown. No, those are fine. Screen UI ratio. Screen UI ratio. No, right, that's a magic number. Spawn next. No, that's fine. Public float, spawn period. Oh, yeah, no, that's public. Spawn next button. Probably also fine. I might want to change that at some point. But, Yeah, you know what? Yeah, actually, let's do that now. All right, that's just a good reminder to myself. Let's say spawn period button. What? Spawn period button? Oh yeah, no, that is what I named it. Yeah. All right. So at start, like proper start. Let's say spawn next button equals spawn period button, and then on restart, let's also say that. So this way, like the game doesn't start with a button on screen. Like the first one takes a moment before it pops in. Um, so we'll do that at end of game. Oh wait, no. At end of game we have, or I guess in both cases it's probably better to do time dot fix time plus. Yeah. I mean at start of game, whatever, but on restart that'll be important. Slight distinction. So yeah. Where was that? Spawn next button backstock is 0. I mean, yeah, no, I guess that makes sense. Button backstock equals 0. We can do that at the end of game when we destroy the UI. Public. I guess hypothetically, there could be some public things that I want to reset, but I guess those will be the ones that I find through the results of errors, because I don't feel like pouring through all of that stuff. Power activation. Oh yeah, no, that'll be naturally reset. Yeah. Oh no, actually, we want to, yeah. Just to be safe, we'll reset power activation, and when the game ends. I doubt that would cause problems. So that could. Actually, instead of doing that, I'm going to say I'm just gonna put that right in power processing. I just don't want to try and like accidentally activate a power after the game is already over. That just doesn't sound fun. So yeah, I'm just gonna put that in power processing, which is here. If power activate I and postmort equals 0. Yeah. Oh wait. Hold on, is that correct? Yes. Yeah. Alright. Save that. Yeah, okay, that's good, sorry. Pow time. No, that's fine. Dash pause. No, that's fine. Dashing. I think we already did. Because we concluded dash, yeah. Dash mob caught is fine, because we're concluding dash. Dash charge. Sounds fine. Although it wouldn't hurt to tidy it up. It's not really necessary. No, it wouldn't hurt. endgame right after conclude dash. Because normally we only conclude dash when dash charge already equals 0. Here I translate. Sure, why not? I don't think that would affect anything, but equals. Oh, actually no. We shouldn't do that. Actually no. Actually that's fine. Yeah, we can do here translate equals new vector 0, 0, 0. These are good. POW type, we already did. UI press time, it's fine. UI dragging, yeah, we should do this on restart, just to be tidy. We don't have to declare it, we just set it back to false. I forgot how bookkeeping this is. This process is. I guess my previous projects didn't have nearly as complex game state, so they actually didn't take this long to set up the restarts. Unavail button. Oh. No, we're fine. Process button time, process button cooldown. Yeah. Button spawn count. Oh yeah. We can do that end game. POW spawn at count. Yeah, that's fine. POW spawn count. POW gain count. We already did that. Scan max range. That's it's actually kind of a const, so we can move that. And let's change it to max scan range. If we extend our scan table, we can extend that, but for now that's how it'll always be that. Wait, is 16 really? Yeah, 16 is the maximum. Maybe I should do like 15.9 or something, just to be safe. Actually, yeah. Yeah, I'm just gonna do 15 because I don't want to get near the edges of that scan table, just in case anything weird happens. I don't necessarily think that anything weird would happen, but I mean 15 and 16 there's not a huge difference there. Where was I? Dest active, I think we're already handling. Yes. We're already handling, right? Oh no, yeah, we're handling it elsewhere, yeah. I remember what we're doing. Okay. Yep, so that one's fine. Okay. Exploding cookie scale. What the heck is that? Oh, right, yeah. That's just how big the... Oh, yeah, no, that's just how much bigger the exploding cookies are than the other cookies. Wait, how did I make this appear, and how do I make it disappear? Go away. Go away. I mean, it's neat, but I just don't really feel like using it right now. There we go. Alright. So, yeah. Public, mobs to destroy. No, that'll clean itself up. Because we might need this during, well, I guess if I screw up the chain reaction scale, then hypothetically you could restart the game before all the chain reactions have completed. That'd be weird, though. I really don't expect that ever to happen, but just in case, we'll do that when we restart the game. Cursor height offset, no. Pips count, yeah. Public, but we do want to reset it. So, let's say, alright, let's actually say, yeah. No, okay, so let's say, public int, pip, pips count starting, equals 9-ish, probably. And then we can say, and this doesn't have to be public, pips count can just be handled internally. But yeah, let's not set it here, let's at start say pips count equals pips count starting, and let's also clarify that pips text is specifically equal to that. Pips text dot get component text mesh dot text, yeah, equals pips count to string. Save that, and then so let's also do that on restart game. Save that. Oh yeah, so on restart game, we also have to do such fun stuff as hiding the restart button and re-displaying the, yeah, I guess I probably could have done that first. So, no, I guess I'll do it last. We can say, oh wait, hero.setActive, false? Yeah, I guess we have to do it that way. Hero.setActive, true. Because we can't deactivate the entity that we typically think of as the hero, because the entity that we typically think of as the hero has the main camera parented to it. So if we deactivated it, then we would lose sight of everything. So hero set active true, game UI dot set active true, restart button dot set active false. Alright, we were pretty close to done. Were we literally done? Oh, and are we? Yeah, and then finally post mort equals 0. But are we literally done? Restart cooldown, restart time. Yeah, maybe. Oof. I feel like this is going to be hairy. So, let's see how it goes. Oh, well, for one thing, we can set it up correctly. So the restart button is hidden and the game UI is not hidden. Alright. I should also just for convenience, we can tune way down the pip starting count. We can start it at we can start at 1. And that way, the first time the bomb goes off, the game will end, and we can test this out real fast. Yay, look at that. Now we have restart button, which eventually will look like a restart button, hypothetically. So we should put down a cooldown so that we don't automatically drop the dust marker as soon as we restart the game. But other than that, it looks like it's actually working. What? Alright, well, we're not hitting all of our cases because, for one thing, we wanted to check to make sure that multi-dash worked. So I'm going to multiply that by 30, I guess, just to be gratuitously large. And then we should also check allies. And why not check them both at once? I like fireworks. Oh wait, we don't have dash as a thing. We'll need to get dash as a thing real fast, which we're not doing yet. So alright, this run through will be allies, and then the next one will be except allies attack really fast, so it's going to take a second. What? Why did you not get destroyed? Huh. That's weird. Oh, am I doing it at the wrong time? It seems like... Yeah, what the heck? What the heck was that about? Why did the allies stick around? Did I accidentally put it in restart instead of on endgame? No? What? That is so weird. Alright, well, let's see let's see what's going on here. Let's say, print, team hero I guess. Let's see what that does. Yeah, let's put, what was the other thing I was going to change? Oh, the power spawn time. To 0.01, just to get them all there. Oh, I wonder what that's going to do. That might do weird things. I don't think it'll do weird things. Who knows? It could do weird things. I'll put it to 0.1. 0.1 should be entirely sufficient. It'll give us 0.6 of a second to... as long as we get it within... We only have to wait... Yeah, there we go. That was plenty fast. Alright, so let's... oh yeah, let's spawn allies. Oops. Yeah, I'll just take a second. Boom. Boom. Yeah. What on earth? Oh. 9? What? And why are they gone now? Oh, because they're just getting destroyed. When all mobs get destroyed, they're not getting destroyed up front. What? I think I must be using Team Hero incorrectly. I guess. Huh. Maybe this doesn't work very well in this case. Yeah, I'm gonna, oh, alright, I'll just say print team hero. I mean, I guess I could do that wherever, but I'm gonna do it here. So, what does that look like? I wonder. Alright. For I equals, for int I equals 0, I less than team hero dot length I plus plus print team hero I. I'm lazy and I just want a huge wall of text. Actually, yeah, I guess I can put this else. No, I'll just put it here. I'll save that. So you should give me a ton of stuff. Let's see what you gave me. Alright. 1, 1, 2, 2, 3. What? No. That is not accurate. For 9? Go to declaration. What am I doing wrong here? Oh, yep, that would explain it. I was using IA2 twice instead of using IA1 and IA2. Yeah, so wow, Team Hero just didn't work that whole time. Slightly awkward. Well, so I guess I don't really need Team Hero then. I don't know. Oh, and I can take out that print. Or, what is it, spawn, ally. Yeah. So, now they should despawn accurately, or correctly, as per expectation. I guess I could have dropped the pips down again, but it should happen soon enough. Like now, for example. Yeah! What? Oh, right. I can't just automatically conclude dash. I should only conclude I should only conclude dash if dashing. Right. Or I guess I could leave it like there's just like a random explosion for no particular reason. I guess we don't see that most of the time because most of the time the area around the allies, the hero, is empty. Yeah. No, alright, I'll make it slightly more normal. So if dashing 0 conclude dash. That was fun, but no. And yeah, now let's test dashing. Whoa. I'm not actually entirely certain what happened there. Knockback calc? What happened with knockback calc? Huh. That probably has something to do with the fact that we're just yeah, I'm not gonna worry super much about that. I feel like that has more to do with the fact that we I feel like that has more to do with the fact that we're allowing detonation during dash. But I'll keep an eye out for it. Alright, that I believe was in fact the expected behavior. Oh. Oh. Wait, what? Oh. Oh, right. Yeah. I'm rinsing out the rinsing out the UI containers, but I'm not actually destroying the buttons that from the previous rounds. So right. So okay, so for int I equals 0, I less than pow buttons dot length I plus plus destroy pow buttons I. And similarly, for avail buttons, so before we forget about our previous buttons, we will destroy them. Destroy the old, out with the old, in with the new. So yay! But now why aren't we spawning new ones? We destroyed our old ones, but what are we? Oh, yeah. I think our spawn time looks forward. I think, how are we using spawn time? I guess would be a good thing to ask, or spawn button time, or whatever. No, not here. If spawn next button is less than time.fix time, spawn button. Spawn next button plus equals spawn period button. Well, let's just unrestart. I guess we can just kickstart this. Maybe that'll help. Equals time dot fix time plus spawn period buttons, I guess. Let's see what that does. Yeah, why did you stop spawning buttons? What's the deal? Is it because I give you a weird rate? Is something getting screwed up that way? What if you were just like 1, for example? Curious. So I don't know. Fixed update print. No, that's too much. I mean, this will also be too much, but whatever. Yeah. So, on mouse button down, print, spawn next button, and time dot fix time, please. Let's see what the heck is happening with respect to that. So whenever we click, you should see when the next button will spawn and then what the current time is. So far makes sense. So yeah, it's like it's trying to spawn buttons, but I don't know. Because the spawn next keeps ticking upwards, and yet they never appear. So I don't think we have to do this. I think this is fine. Oh, wait. Besides, we were already doing that. So we definitely don't have to do it twice. Alright, let's try and figure out what the heck is going on in spawn button. Am I doing something wrong to avail buttons? New game object 6, eh? Not that I can see. Alright, well... Avail buttons I should be equaling null, since we're destroying the old ones. Let's just make sure that's the case. Print, yup. Yeah, spawn, yeah. So, yep. Whenever button spawns, we see it. So we've only gotten 5, because there were only 5 spawned. And it's still printing. Well, it printed that. Oh no, that only printed because it clicked. So alright, so for whatever reason, it doesn't think that avail buttons equal null. Why would it not think that? I'm super destroying the buttons. I'm setting it to equal new game object 6. I don't know. Let's help help it along a little bit. Avail buttons I equals null. Clear enough for you? Still not evaluating true. So I assume it's not that, because it shouldn't have been that anyways, so it'd be super weird if it was still that somehow. What other conditionals do we have there? It's also the... Oh, I'm not resetting them! I probably need to do like all this stuff. Oh yeah, I should do all this stuff. Alright, fine. Alright. Target, POW type, slot POW, avail type, slot avail. Yeah, I can do all this in endgame. I guess I'll just do it here. And then I can stop doing this stuff. Oops, wait. Yeah, no, that's... Alright. Yeah, right, those are supposed to be -1, they're not supposed to be 0. Alright. How about now? Oh, I guess I could take out that print. I'm pretty sure it's gonna work now. Let's find out. It's still... Oh, yeah, I should point out that you don't have to spawn buttons when the game's over. Yeah. So, postmark equals 1, etc., etc. That's fine for power buttons. I guess we don't have to do this in yeah, I guess actually a lot of this stuff we only really have to do during postmark equals 0. Yeah, so, yeah. Actually, I'll move that in there too. So, okay. Oh, this can be, so else if post mark equals 0. And then that will encompass everything down to here. Because that's when we start the translation simulation. Yeah. So, alright, let's get rid of those prints that we put in, because I think we have a better grasp on what's happening now. Save that. Alright. Let's end some games. I guess I could just turn on detonation time to like 0. But I should be trying stuff during this time too. Just to make sure. Oh yeah, I still have to do that. I'll do that now. Alright, so if that's awkward, because that's like the only case we really want to buffer for placement of the destination marker. Oh wait, no. Yeah. So is there a graceful way to handle that? man. I wish there was just like a cleaner way to do that. Or I guess I hope there is one. Specifically, I hope one comes to mind in the near future. So, yeah, not really coming up with anything brilliant, so I'll just do something not super brilliant. Public float restart dest cooldown equals 0.2 f float restart dest time whatever, so then or equals 0, actually -1 I guess. I just have to say oh wait, no? What if it's just button time? Actually, yeah, what if I just do that? Would that help? I don't know. Couldn't hurt, I don't think. Save that. I forget if button time is used for this purpose. It was used for moving around the dust marker. Button time. Yeah, there we go. Yay! Button time. So the way I've been using input mouse get button down or whatever, it triggers twice, and so I just use like a short cooldown to ignore the second time it. Yeah, so each time you click, like you get 2 events as if you'd click twice, but yeah, I just ignore the second one. So yay! All right, I'm happy. So yeah. Wait, why did something just print? What prints do I have left? Yeah, what is this printing? I don't remember that. What prints do I have on right now? Oh, this one probably? Yeah, this one. Wait. Yeah, I don't need the print on anymore. Although it is fun when it happens. So I'll leave it for now. Yeah. Anyways. So yeah, maybe we have a game now. Like a game, super playable, start to finish. So playable. Restart. Oh right, yeah, no, I can get rid of those values I was about to add. Yay! So yeah, I'm probably. Oh, you know what I just remembered? I had a super old build on the that I put up on the site like weeks ago. I'm just gonna look at it real quick just for comparison. srsly, because the reason it occurred to me is because I'm probably gonna put a new build up on wow, remember this game? Man. Yeah, I'm probably gonna put a new build up on simpler times. New build on like Monday or Tuesday of next week. Yeah, so this is super reminding me of how like visually simple the game was originally and how it's gotten much more visually complex. Like just the addition of like cookies really. I mean, part of the reason it looks kind of a mess right now is because I still have these awful icons that I made. Which I guess I could pull the trigger on Power 3 now and like actually finish this thing. Oh yeah, I forgot. I put dash multiplicity like sky high. Yeah, I guess I should put Power 3 in. Why not? Um, uh, trying to think of what I should do for like yeah, now I'm thinking about putting out a build on Monday and Tuesday, and I'm like, what should I do to balance stuff enough so that it's not like just a completely ridiculous mess, like and like I was just thinking about like I think I'll probably just have like the mob spawn rate is already really relatively low, like a mob spawns every second, but I think like the thing that I experienced earlier is that the power of the hero scales high enough that even that like with only a mob spawn rate of 1, it, you can just obliterate the field so consistently. Whoops, wrong button. Save the whole project. Why not? So yeah, just a quick thing. I think I'm gonna say when we spawn a mob, which I guess we only do in one place still. Spawn next. Yeah, we should rename these. Spawn next mob, I think, is the convention. Spawn period mob. I forget what the spawn period. Yeah, mob. I guess is the convention. Okay, so yeah, let's say. Oh, I'm probably gonna add in like 5 gazillion variables here because that's what I did in Grav to get a similar effect. But I'm gonna say spawn period. Wait, what was it? Yeah, spawn period mob times equals spawn period mob scale. And I'm gonna add in like 5 million more variables there to get like a nice beautiful equation for how actually to get this spawn rate to play out over the course of the game. But for now, let's call it that. So where are those? Or no, wait. Spawn period mob. So public float this thing equals like 0.9 or something. 0.95, I guess, because we spawn a lot of mobs. 0.99 actually, because we spawn a lot. 0.97, I guess, because 98. I don't know. We spawn a lot of mobs, but we also need to offset how powerful the hero gets. So yeah, that was a small thing. Just and so yeah, wait. For doing that, then we also have to do public float spawn period mob initial or starting initial. I like better actually. Equals 1F, I think is what we've actually been using, not 2F. And so we don't have to set that there. We can set on start. We can have spawn period mob equals as such, and then we can do that also on restart game. Yeah. Oh yeah, I remember what we were doing. Alright, so yeah, now we have spawn period mob. Whoop. Oh, they're both still public. Oops. Spawn period mob does not have to be public anymore. Save that. Right, and then yeah, for what we were doing, we were cranking them out. Wait, what? Yeah. Oh, yeah. Alright, well, it's weirder to change during simulation now. So maybe I do want to keep that other one public, just so I can if I want to change it during simulation. We'll see if that really becomes necessary. Right, so wait, why are there still two? Oh, right, no, that one's the other one, the one that I can use to control the rate of spawn. So yeah, just for a minute, I think I'm actually going to keep it public, just to see how it works. Oh wow, it ticks down really fast. I guess I should have expected that. But that's why it's public, so I can tune it. Yeah, that's probably excessively... I don't know, that could be okay. Yeah, I think I'm actually gonna boost the spawn time just slightly. So spawn period, spawn, and then spawn time. Wait, what? Spawn. What? Spawn. Oh, spawn next mob equals time dot fixed time plus spawn period. Save that. Just a little thing. So yeah, that is a little thing. And I mean, we haven't like done comprehensive tests of restarting the game, but we also haven't found anything particularly egregious in the tests that we have run. So I'm tempted somewhat to move on actually at this point. It's 5:50 now. I think I started at like 2:30 or something. So, we were talking earlier about big things. Examples of big things were adding in like this that we just did. That was pretty big. It wasn't that hard, but it was like it was a memory test because yeah, I've added a lot since since the start of the project. So it was a lot to pour back over, but I don't know. I guess what now? I could do path 3. Hypothetically, I could start doing path 3. And then I think the other big thing I said was that I kind of need to something game balance, which I'm not going to worry about right now, of course, especially not until path 3. So I guess path 3 is like the big next one, the next big thing. I'm gonna put values back to slightly more normal places, like for example, dash down to mult1. I put the ally spawn, the spawn period mob to something normalish. I'm going to do this on start as well. Again, very subtle, but save that. Attack time, hero, mob hit cooldown is way high. What else? Oh yeah, the period button, spawn period button. So this is like our, and then right, the pip count. So this is like our quasi pseudo game. I guess I could what then? Well, again, a small thing, but I think I'm gonna change the shard color ratio to like 0.85 or something. So I was just seeing too much red in those star pops. So minor, but whatever. That's too little. Alright, I'm gonna set it to 0.8 and stop worrying about it for now. Alright, so yeah, what's up? Did the oh yeah, they detonated. Wow, okay. Oh, is the det time way down? Yeah, it is. Okay. Yeah. Alright, so man. Yeah, it's the game's less of a mystery now, which is good, I guess, because I don't have to I don't have to stress out about what the game can or should be. One thing about like tuning, the one thing about game balance is that probably shouldn't introduce any explosive devices until you can use bombs. So maybe bombs should be the first thing that you get. Using it. Wow, this game gets really hard really fast. Oh, because I'm not using my things, but whatever. Well, no, they're all potions, so they're basically all potions. So yeah, this game just gets really hard really fast. Yeah, it definitely needs a lot more balance. I guess I could now that well, okay, so this period scale could definitely be like 0.95, 0.995, and I could even bump up the initial spawn time to like 2-ish. Yeah. Yeah, because like when you have a throng of mobs and one of them has an explosive device, it's dangerous to not have like bombs. Hypothetically, like general auto attack targeting works with the dust marker, but it's not nearly as precise as something like bombs allow. So when there's very few mobs, you don't have to worry about clearing them because you just have to, because you can do that fairly easily. But once they start to pour in, wow, how fast are they coming in already? 1.8. I guess not that fast, but I mean, it just naturally feels faster because it's not like you're clearing these guys. So like the guys that are here are like doing laps back and forth. So we could actually have a really gradual spawn rate for mobs for starters. Oh no, it's gonna blow. Ugh, that's close. Multiply myself, I guess. Range on myself. Pro tip: until I balance it, range on hero is really powerful. Fun fact. Mult on hero, I just enjoy, especially if the hero has range. Strength on bombs, I guess. Bombs don't scale as well with strength, or like bombs need strength to get especially powerful, whereas dash, if you just multiply it, it gets really powerful. I should be jotting these things down. I'm keeping track of them in my brain journal. Which is not a real thing, not even slightly. So hmm. Yeah, I'm just amusing myself by playing the game. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Like I kind of got distracted about. Kind of stopped using power-ups at a certain point, which I tend to do. I don't know. Maybe I'm just not very good at this game. But yeah. I guess we can probably. Oh yeah. I think modifiers will probably come in, unlike mobs, which will start slower at first and then come in faster and faster. I think powers will be, or like power-ups and modifiers will be like the other way around. They'll start out. You'll get a fair amount of them at first, and then they'll start to trickle in towards later in the game. That's partly because it's partly because of what? Oh yeah, like when the game gets more hectic, you don't have as much time to drag power-ups or modifiers from the top bar to the bottom bar. Speed, I guess, on dash. Strength on bombs. Power 3 still doesn't do anything, but you can press it. It's a button. It takes a long time to recharge. You can even drop modifiers on it, which is kind of a waste considering. Yeah, I think stacking Molten Range on your hero is like OP strat, because I haven't lost a single thing, and I'm not even like aiming very much. I'm just basically like using my powers when they come up. But my ally bros. Uh-oh, this might be where it gets hard. Power 3, super power 3. Uh-oh. Alright, I might need to step it up. Things are getting pretty intense. Yes, range. All the range. Wait, what? What just happened? What on earth just happened? Look at this. The simulation just kind of stopped. For no apparent reason? What you do in simulation? I can still use powers. What on earth, bruh? What on earth? Well, this is probably the coolest bug I've seen so far in this project. I like how we can activate the bomb and it only applies a single frame of knockback. Ugh. Seriously though, what the heck? Is it even, how much of the simulation is halted? Like, does it think we're in post-mort for some reason? No, it's not even, wait, does it think we're still in post-mort? No, because if it thought we were in post-mort or something, it would still make mobs not collide with each other. I have no clue what is happening right now. Zero of clue. I mean, it's clearly still going. It's clearly still like polling because like spawn period mob is like going through the floor. Seriously, like what on earth even could be happening here? Oh, it is outputting errors. Alright. Derp. Oh. Was it? Okay. Yeah, it was probably because I didn't put a minimum value on. Oh, no. What? What's the nature of the error? Okay. Index is out of range. Which index? Oops, sorry. My face was way too close to the camera. Sweep just near. I. Um. So, yeah, I mean, I guess just one general point of sanity I could put in, because, like, yeah, sweep just has a. Wait. No. No, that one makes sense. This is the same error. I don't. Oh. Wait, yeah, no, okay. That could make sense, right? No. S-min equals 0. And S-min. $151. Is 151 out of range? Why am I saying 151? Why am I not saying... No, it goes all the way up to 152. But, I mean, I should be saying, I should be saying, sweep disk near... dot length minus 1, and actually less than. But no, I don't know. I'm not sure how that could get out of range. Because it starts at 0. 0 is not out of range, and it can only get set to possible I value. If anything, it should just stop working. It shouldn't return errors. If anything, like, scan range multi should just start returning like 0 targets, which is also something that I should fix. Actually, I'll fix that now. Because why not? If S-min equals -1, if we didn't find a thing for it, then S-min equals sweep dist near length That was fun. Yeah. So. Huh. Oh. Alright, they aren't all the same. They aren't all literally the same area. Oh. Wait, location? Wait. Oh. Uh. Oh, maybe. Yeah, no, maybe that was the case. Maybe it was, I guess that would make sense. If it was trying to go to 0. Maybe. No? I don't know. Let's see if we can get it again. Well, actually, let's take a little bit closer look at what's going on here. Alright. Wait. Was that all of the errors? Oh, okay. Alright, so... how's that? Index out of range exception? Array indexes out of range. What is the Rmax? Oh. Yeah. I don't know. I just don't know. Wait, S-min. S-min. Yeah, I wouldn't expect that one to have gone to range anyways, so I guess that is a little bit silly. But, Rmax. Divided by mob diameter plus 1.5F. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. U. And I'm not using it, but it just occurred to me that I made a slight oversight in my overlapping range calculations, I think. Yeah. Yeah. Anyways. Yeah, what is the deal with this? What on earth could cause, wait. No. I guess if I unpause it, it's just going to continue spamming those errors. Well, okay, let's see what our variables are at. Are any of our variables absurdly high? Mob's range. No? Yeah, How can you even go out of range on a declaration? You have a brilliant game idea you'll probably never develop. Oh, those are the worst things to never develop. I am I am staunchly for the development of brilliant game ideas. What's this? Why am I using like POW? Oh. Oh. What? No. Oh. Really? That's interesting. I'm maxing out this multi-dimensional array. Well, I guess I don't have to worry about increasing my scan table because apparently my scan table can't even or my the way I'm currently setting up the scan can't even support half of the range that I was thinking. Yeah. Oh. Oh yeah. Yeah, but you're still young. There's still time for you to find collaborators, and I wouldn't give up on it yet. um, all right. Huh. Well, I guess it's a good thing I finally tried like scanning at this range, because apparently, what is it, like 8 something is just like the point at which it caps out. 8.75. Let's see if that is the problem. Mobs range 8.75. Yep. Nope. Yeah, nope. Wait, no, it's not erroring yet. He just stopped targeting things? That's weird. Wait, is something else broken? Or... oh, maybe that thing that I just put in was broken. Yeah, that thing I just put in probably is responsible for what? Oh, yeah. Yep. So if r min equals 0, 0. Oh, wait. Yeah, actually, we can do more with this. Smin is -1. If r min equals 0, then smin equals 0, else we can do all this other stuff. Save that. Alright, so wait, so mobs range 8.75. No, that still works. So what on earth was it? Huh. I assume it had something to do with range. 12? Can you handle that? Yeah, you can handle big numbers. What about 17? No, you can still do 17. I guess I am filtering for excessively large ranges already, because the scan table does not go up to that high. $3,000, $30,000. That did it. That did something. Oop. Out of memory exception? Sweet. Alright, so yeah, don't try and scan that big. Yeah, I guess, so I might as well just put in like a thing, like, so if R max greater than max scan range, then R max equals max scan range. Yeah, so that's just generally smart, but it still doesn't explain that other thing that we just saw. The only thing I could think of after looking at that is that maybe we were trying to make too big of a multi-dimensional array, but it let us make a multi-dimensional array that was so big that we actually ran out of memory. So I don't know what that's about. Right, so now if I make mob range gratuitously large, like 3,000, it'll just use it'll use it'll use sorry. It'll just use the maximum range, which is phenomenal. Alright, well, yeah, no, I honestly have no clue what we just saw. I honestly don't even know how something like that can go out of range. Because, like, I could understand, like, if I declared the array to be a certain size and then tried to access something outside of the size that I declared it, but, like, how can the declaration itself be out of range? That's what I don't get. Anyways, yeah, I want to spend more time in the simulation now just because that creeps me out. I'm going to try dropping the mob speed slightly. Maybe? No, just slightly. Ever so slightly. Oh wow, actually fairly slightly. I'm going to drop it from 2.5 to 1.5. Actually, I guess that doesn't really... I guess I'm a little ambivalent as to mob speed, actually. Bombs away. Speed on bombs, I guess. Speed on bombs. Bombs everywhere. So, to be honest, I'm probably going to get bored and play the game for a while. Or I'm going to get, like, I don't know, for some reason today I was like, maybe it's because I like, worked a good number of hours on previous days this week. For some reason today I was just really ready to have, like, a lazy day. Like, case in point, it took me, like, an extra, like, 2.5 hours just to get up and running in the first place. And, Yeah, you know how it is. It's Friday. It is Friday evening. Uh, Late Friday evening for some of us. Saturday morning, technically, for some of us. um, what? I missed one? How did that go down? I guess I just wasn't paying attention. Oh, yeah, so for example, I haven't been using abilities. Speed on bomb, I guess. Strength on bomb. Potion, bombs. Haha, eat it. My super fast bombs are super strong as well. They don't have much range, though. So yeah, I think I put up the pace of the game too high or too slow. Because I don't know, this might be an appropriate challenge. I felt a lull for a moment there, though. Yeah, this game is going to be awesome to balance. So awesome. There's just so many. I don't know. For me, like I've never balanced an entire like set of systems, uh, as varied. Like just the sheer volume of knobs and dials. Like it's gonna be cool. It's gonna be a good month, I think. Maybe literally an entire month. But yeah, I mean, I'm interested to hear what people think of it too, because I'm not going to spend a month on a game. I'm not going to spend a month balancing a game that people are unenthusiastic about. So, huh? I guess. Oh yeah, I have to separate. I have to redo how mines spawn, because right now you can just ignore cookies. You can ignore the yellow coins, and you're actually rewarded for it because. Well, no, I guess that's not true. The game just goes slower if you. No, yeah, so I guess you are kind of rewarded because it doesn't slow down the rate. Yeah, I have to do a few things. I have to change the rate of bombs, and I have to change the rate of I have to change the rate of explosive devices, and I have to change the range of excuse me, the range of the rate double, excuse me, the rate of at which you get new modifiers, because like you should only be getting modifiers if you're accomplishing stuff. Because like presently you can get like really lazy and just let the modifiers stack up and then become overpowered. Strong bombs. Pots don't do a single thing. Oh no! Ha! I got distracted. Oh no! I'm really bad at this game apparently. Um, so, I guess, so one good thing is that, like when this game is like going, like really going, I tend to get engrossed in it, which I think is probably a good thing. I hope it's a good thing, because ultimately it's what I hope people will. I hope that people will be able to enjoy it to an extent that they're able to really get into it and have fun playing it. So yeah. Oh no. Uh-oh. Oh wow, that's cool. So that was a detonation. Oh right, right. Because I let detonations that while I was testing detonations and charging and stuff. Okay. Power activate. No. What's above that? It's where is it? Yeah. All right. Come back. We miss you. So alright, no. I'm going to put mob speed back up because it did not. Decreasing mob speed did not accomplish what I hoped it would accomplish. In fact, I'll put it up to like 2.75. Maybe making it higher than it used to be will help. No, I probably won't accomplish anything either. It's just, I think it's weird when like the hero chases down a mob for like gratuitously long. Yeah, no, 2.5 was the least weird of the numbers that we've tried so far. So, yeah, I guess I could start doing those things that I've been saying I should do, because I mean, they're all important, I think. Alright, so yeah, so how do I make it so that, how do I set it up so that powers spawn fast at first, or that modifiers spawn fast at the start and then slower as the game goes on, and also in a way that rewards player interaction, like forward player interaction, like proactivity. I could probably take out Seek Mode 2. I never use it anymore. Like, there's no... Like, everything's fairly arbitrary in terms of, like, direction. Oh yeah, I just never use my powers. Yeah, I think everything's fairly arbitrary in terms of direction, and everything always comes to you, so you never really have to seek out anything out. I don't know. How high is the dead time? That one seems fairly fast. Maybe I just need to make it pulse more so it's more obvious. Dead time. Yeah, it's at 10. I guess I'm just getting sloppy. Or I'm just not